Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole, and today we're going to do our mini Mondays. So I have $50 in ones that we are going to use, and I have 12 different challenges that we are going to randomize. All right, so how I've been doing this, let me get my dice tower out. How I've been doing this is rolling a D4 die. And then if it is an odd, I do one bill, and even we do two bills. We don't have any spicy fives today, so we just have 50 ones. And we ended on 5 last time, so we're going to start here at 6 where my paperclip is. And I am trying to do a little bit of batch filming, so that way I don't have to try to stress about it after having to go back to work next week. And while it's quiet in the house and the kids are at school. I have also reallocated all of my savings challenges from August. Those are up on my channel. They are quite long, and I apologize, but I hope that you don't mind the longer videos. I know I do like the longer videos. I like to watch how everybody does all of their different savings in their games and everything. But I do understand that it can be overwhelming, and all of the different binders that everybody has. I'm still trying to figure out what what still works for me and how I want to do it. I think once I get Christmas paid or Christmas funded, and then I can get some of my other sinking funds funded, I think I'll be able to get a better idea of how I want to do everything going forward, but that's probably going to take a few more weeks. All right, and then number 5 is going to get 1, so we ended at 6 again. Perfect. So let me get out my buyback money. Let's go ahead. So how does everybody like to do their savings? Do you guys, I like to do my minis because getting those like fast wins help me feel more accomplished, like it feels better. So I have $50 in buyback cash. So we'll see how things go today. So envelope number 1 got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we can already. Well, let's see. I know I can. I know I'm probably gonna finish a couple. Okay, so no, this one's not gonna be finished. So we will swap that 5 out. Let me get a marker. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we should have 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. And this one is from Norella's Budgets on her Ko-fi. All right, and challenge number 2 is, oops. All right. Okay, so this is the August challenge from Boss Babe Budgets. So I made each palm tree $1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Oh, so close. We need 5 more. So we should hopefully be able to get that one done next week. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So far, this has 25, 26, and 27. I am doing a little batch filming, so it does take me a little bit of time to edit and upload. I did take this week off of work. We have a 4-day weekend. Our youngest has a 4-day weekend, and then our other kids that are in school only have a 3-day weekend. So it's going to be a little busy, hectic around here for the next couple of days. So this one is one that I made. Again, didn't post anywhere. If you have watched the first couple of my videos, you know that that's what I'm good at. I'm good at making challenges and not putting them anywhere. So this one saved us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That doesn't go there, Nicole. Oh, and that's not gonna. Oh my God, man, we are not finishing this one. Okay, so 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we'll have these 2 left over. So we have 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's switch that out. This is correct. And we have 25, and that one is finished. I think there's one more that we should finish. All right, let's get another challenge. I think we'll just go ahead and do this September one from Buttercup Budgets. Let's see, 2. Yeah, we'll just keep this in here, and that way. And then we're gonna fill up everything, and then I'll do the apples last to see what I want to put them as. Because depending on how much money we can get in there, I might make those a higher denomination than just a $1 or $2. All right, so challenge number 4. So I did, if you watched my other Monday video, I had a different challenge in there. So I decided to put my 30 envelope helper in there. Not sure if you can see that, but we are saving for 20. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We are getting down to the end in getting some of those bigger challenges, or the bigger envelopes already done. I have 20 and then 21. And then the others after that should be pretty should be easier. I'm not gonna say simple. So $7. Oh my goodness. And then I printed this last night. How do you guys like it? It's like a Barbie pink and a white. I think it turned out great. I love this font too. So if anybody is interested in something like this, just hit me up on Etsy. Because I don't always get all the notifications in YouTube because it kind of stinks like that. All right, so we just needed 2 for this one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right. All right, let's see what we have saved total here. We have 25, 26, 27, 28. Fantastic. Let's see. I think we'll go ahead and use this one from Budget with Amanda. We have $3. Oh, that's perfect. And we will color in a 3. I think we might have one more. Let's see. Number 6. I got a lot of 11s. Oh, and this is another one we're going to finish because it only needed $2, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And this is Budgeting with Lisa. And this saved us 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Is that? Yeah, that's right. So we're going to go ahead and put those back. Okay, and 15. Fantastic. We got 3 done today. Oops, sorry about that. All right, so we have $5 here. Let's get another challenge. Let's go ahead and do the September Boss Babe budgets. I love her stuff. She puts out so much. I don't know how she does it. It's crazy. I wish I could be on her level. 2, 3, 4, and 5. So hopefully we will finish that at the end by the end of September. So I'm still haven't decided if I want to cut down to 6 challenges or keep 8 in here. Because if I did 6, I could get them done even faster. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. This one got 7. This is my other 30 envelope challenge helper. So let's see. So we now have this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We'll put that 5 back in a 10. So, okay. So total, we have 13. So we have 5, 10, 11, and 12. All right, so this one has 13, so we need a little bit more in that one. Hopefully we can finish that one next week. And we can be 1 envelope closer to our 30 envelope challenge goal. And then we are on challenge number 8, which is one of mine. This will hopefully be on my Ko-fi. So this one saved us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then let's see how much this has saved us so far. And I think we can do a little bit more cash condensing. We have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Perfect. All right. And then we will take all this, and we will put this back into our binder for next week. But we have our finished savings challenges. Oh my goodness. So we have 3 finished. I am only going to put $1 into my finished savings challenge. Where did my envelope go? There it is. Every time I empty out the envelope, I always lose it. So this is a great start already to our September. Let me get okay. Get a screenshot for the thumbnail. And we are only going to save $1. I'm not sure if I'm going to continue to do this in 2026 with the saving the money for your savings challenges. We'll see how that goes. But as always, thank you for stopping by and leave me any comments or questions. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.